Formidable has many layers of spam protection. Here's the order we recommend setting them up. The first line of defense is invisible JavaScript scouts. They're turned on by default and can be found in your form settings. Next is the honeypot, a fake field laid like a trap. Real users don't see it, but bots fall right in. Activate it by going to Global Settings CAPTCHA and selecting Use Honeypot to check entries for spam. The CAPTCHA is your main gatekeeper. It checks who's trying to enter and only lets in real visitors. We recommend the Turnstile CAPTCHA. It's user-friendly and offers unlimited free entries.
Now, most of you will be well protected by this point, but if spam still gets through, head back to your form settings and connect to the Stop Forum Spam API. It's like plugging into a giant watchtower that blocks known spammers before they even reach your gate.
You can also go back to Global Settings CAPTCHA and turn on Check Deny List data to validate for spam. It's like placing spikes where you know enemies try to climb in. Sometimes a word might normally be flagged as spam, but in your context, it's allowed. That's where the allow list comes in. Think of it as a secret password that lets allies through the gate. Still getting spam? Call in the Akismet plugin for backup. It's one of the most skilled anti-spam mercenaries known to Presslandia.
Once installed and activated, you'll see a new option in your form settings.
And finally, WordPress's own comment spam system acts like a wise old advisor, the final line of defense. Activate it by checking the Use WordPress Spam comments to check entries for spam box. That's it. Get Formidable Forms now and never worry about pesky spam again.